OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, hands-on. OnePlus has done some remarkable special editions in the past, be it Star Wars theme with OnePlus 5T or all-time favorite McLaren edition OnePlus 7T Pro. But with the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, we're blown away. Oh, be prepared for a lot of goodies. I mean a whole lot of them. Prepare to be amazed as OnePlus delivers a treasure trove of goodies that will leave any Genshin Impact fan ecstatic. Feast your eyes on the stunning purple colorway, complemented by a custom hardcover adorned with iconic Genshin Impact characters. The meticulous design and attention to detail make this limited edition model a true collector's item. The entire theme is built around the character Keqing, a 5-star Electro character in the game. The phone's back cover has beautiful design inspired by Keqing's clothing with her signature lightning stiletto. It's magical when the light falls on the phone's frosted glass back from different angles. Inside the gift box, you'll find exclusive merchandise and accessories, including a tin plate character badge, a set of 8 chibi commemorative metal badges and stickers, a violet charging adapter, a matching USB Type-C charging cable, an acrylic stand featuring Keqing, a chibi acrylic phone stand, and a letter to the traveler note. Wait, there's more. The Keqing-themed phone case has stunning finish and look. What I love the most is the lightning stiletto-shaped SIM tray ejector. Under the hood, everything remains pretty much the same. Like Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and boasting 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, 50 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens, 5500 mAh battery, and 100 watt Super VOOC charging. Would you buy this phone for $49,999? Tell us what you think in the comments.